So students, now let us discuss question number third. Here we have to do it by two methods. One is simple by multiplication, minus 23 into minus 40, which comes out to be 920. In another method, what we'll do, we'll apply the distributive property, which says that minus 23 can be written as minus 20 and minus 3. Okay, as it's a negative number, so both the numbers should have the same sign, then only can be added. Therefore, I have to keep both the numbers negative. Therefore, I have kept minus 20 and minus 3. And it's been multiplied by minus 40. So here the minus 40 I will distribute to both these numbers, that is minus 20 as well as minus 3. That I've done it. And on multiplying I got 800 plus 120. Again this results comes out to be 920. So by using a distributive property, I solved this particular question. Another method in the B part, here you can see we can apply here the associative property, commutative property, which says that in whatever order we multiply, the results comes out to be same. Okay, here the distributive property will not come to that good manner because it's only been multiplied by the number 1. Now come to the C part. The first method, associative property, we have to verify. I kept these two numbers, that is minus 17 and minus 16 in one bracket, and I calculated, it comes out to be 272. I multiplied it by the number 20 and I got this number 5440. In the second method, what I've done it, I've changed the order of the bracket. Now I kept minus 17 alone and I multiplied, taken them in the bracket, which two numbers, minus 16 and minus 20. I am getting minus 320. Again on multiplying by minus 17, the results comes out to be 5440. In both the method, the result should come out to be same. That's a very important factor. In the next E part, the same thing you can do D part. The E part, there are 4 numbers. So I've taken 2 numbers in each pair. So in the first case, I've taken minus 1 and minus 3, which comes out to be 3. In the second pair, I've taken minus 5 and minus 1, which comes out to be 5. The results comes out to be 15. The second method, I've taken both the minus 1 in one bracket and I've taken both the numbers in another bracket. So again, I'm getting the same result. It's your choice, whatever the selection of number you can take it, since there are 4. So more possibilities of the selection of the numbers are there. In question number 4, we have to fill in the blanks on dividing it by minus 19. The results comes out to be minus 5. And they are asking one more part. The same answer will be out of these 3 numbers, 2 numbers are given, definitely the third number will be there. Please do check the sign because we are using the division sign here. So positive number divided by a negative number, result always comes out to be negative number. Why? Because the multiplication also say the same rule. In the B part, they are asking, this is fill in the blanks. So 100 will be coming. 100 divided by minus 20 comes out to be equals to minus 5. You have to take the positive 100. Because I am getting the result in a negative form. Here, minus 110 divided by 11 comes out to be minus 10. In the D part, minus 105 divided by 7. Which number it should be divided so that I get the result minus 15. In the another part also, you can find any one of the numbers out of these 3 numbers are missing. So you can complete that part. Question number 5, minus 18 divided by 1. It's the same answer will be coming because it's an identity has been applied here. And 11 divided by minus 1 gives the result minus 11 because we are dividing it by minus 11. And since both these numbers are negative, the result will be coming out to be a positive 22. Now question number 6, here we have to apply the distributive property. So here first of all I have underlined the 2 numbers, which the 2 numbers 164. As this is the number which is common. So what I've done it, 164 I've taken out common and then I've opened the bracket and this number 3365 multiplied by 1. Why it's been replaced by 1? Because 164 I've taken it outside, as I explained it in earlier videos also. Same thing here, 2365 multiplied by 1. On calculating this comes out to be equals to 1000 and this comes out to be this value. Again here the B part, here you can find it, the number 2 is existing in both of them. I have underlined it. I have taken out the number 2 common. Inside the bracket the remaining numbers which are there with their signs you have to keep it. and calculated, this comes out to be minus 100, and we know that the result will be equals to minus 200. Same thing in the C part. They have here in the beginning they have written 119 divided by 1. That's obvious, that is equals to 119. We have to solve the bracket, which comes out to be equals to minus 100, and on calculating you get these results. Keep your sign convention clearly. Here we have to verify. So I have taken the left hand side first of all. As the bracket say that these two numbers to be multiplied first, minus 21 and 5, which comes out to be minus 105, multiplied by minus 139, it comes out to be 14,595. In my right hand side, it's minus 21, and I kept the remaining two numbers in the bracket, so this to be solved first, which comes out to be minus 695. On solving, again the results comes out to be same. Therefore, we can say that the left hand side equals to right hand side, and associative property is being verified here. In this case, the C part, the B part is also the same thing. I directly come to the C part. In the C part here, the distributive property they are applying. First of all, the bracket will be solved. On solving 21 minus 5, which comes out to be equals to 16. And on calculating the results, it comes out to be 304. In my right hand side, they have applied 19 is being multiplied to both of them. So 19 into minus 5 comes out to be minus 95, and 19 into 21 comes out to be 399. On calculating, it comes out to be 304. So the left hand side equals to right hand side, and hence it's been verified and by the distributive property. Here in the question number 8, we need to calculate the value of P. So by observing only, you can say that this number 9 is extra here, so the value of P will be coming out to be equals to 9. Here also the same thing, distributive property they have applied. In the previous case, they have applied associative property. Here they are applying distributive property. So as you can see, the P is getting multiplied to both of them, and the number which is being distributed is the number 2. So the value of P is coming out to be 2, and the distributive property we have applied. Question number 9, it's a very simple, where we need to fill in the blanks by the missing numbers. So here the 52 is missing here, you can see here, and in this part, as you can see here, the number, whatever the number, fill in the blanks, you can find it out, and whatever the missing number, you can find it. The C part, I have directly written the answer, which is equals to minus 20. D part, which comes out to be minus 400, and the E part, which is equals to minus 448. Please do complete your in your classwork copy so that we can begin with the next exercise in the next video.